Hello Amazon sellers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into a powerful tool that can transform your sales strategy, which is market basket analysis. Hi, I'm Bhumika, an account manager at Yourself. Market basket report not only help you to identify category products for cross marketing, but also shows your products from the same brands that customers frequently purchasing together. So what exactly is market basket analysis? It is a technique used to identify products that frequently bought together. This insight helps you to optimize your product bundles, enhance cross-selling strategies, and understand customer purchasing behavior. To get started with market basket analysis on Amazon, log into your Seller Center account, navigate to the brand section, select brand analytics, and you'll find market basket analysis under consumer behavior analytics. So this is how it looks. Most importantly, don't forget to select your target marketplace before you start analyzing your market basket data. Here you'll find few filters. With the help of filter options, you can customize your own report. For example, reporting range. So you can select weekly, monthly, or quarterly reporting period. And same as you have the option to select weeks, months, and quarters times. And this product's display, it would help you to refine your market basket data by product combinations. So for example, we have three options. So if I would go with all combinations, it shows top 3 purchase combinations of each product. And then go with same brand combinations only, the second options. And you select your brand name as well as category and generate your report. So this is how it looks. You have top 3 purchase combinations for each of your products. For instance, number of orders is 87 for this product, and the combination percentage is 16%. So that means out of 87 orders, there would be around 14 customers who bought this product along with our main product. So what would I do next? I would create virtual bundles including these two ACOS. We implemented a cross promotion strategy for our client in the disposable tableware category. We discovered that customers often buy disposable bowls with the same brand's disposable plates. Using this data, we launched virtual bundles with slightly discounted prices and resulting in a 15% growth in overall sales. If you want to know more about virtual bundles, check out my video linked in the description below. Additionally, second thing, you can add these complementary products under the comparison table of A+ content, where customers can easily place an order by just clicking on the add to cart button. Third, you can also create defense campaigns to target your brand products based on market basket analysis report. If you need in-detail content on defense campaigns, you can check our video link in the description. Next, same brand combination excluded. So when you select this option, same brand combination excluded, then click on refine results, and you will have final analysis, final top 3 purchase combinations for your products. So here, this is our main product, and out of 87 orders, there is 2.3% combination percentage where people bought these products together. So for example, here you'll find the list of brands where customers are also purchasing these products along with our product. So for example, here X Garden has 2.3%, so I guess not more than 5 orders. So out of 87, there will be chance that around 4 to 5 customers bought these products along with our product. So what would I do next? I would create campaigns where I target all of these brands so that my product is also visible on all of these brands' product page, and then you will have more chances to increase your daily order average value. Using this data, we launched cross-marketing campaigns for a client in the jewelry category. We discovered that customers were purchasing jewelry cleaning kits, jewelry boxes like gift and storage boxes, and jewelry polishing clothes along with our jewelry products. By focusing on cross-marketing this product and categories, we show tangible results with overall sales growing by almost 46% to 50% within 2 quarters. We also managed to reduce ACOS from 52% to 28%. Remember, trusting real-time data is way better than shooting in the dark. So, by leveraging this market basket analysis, you can optimize your product offerings and increase your daily average order values and ultimately drive more sales on Amazon. So, start analyzing these baskets and increase your revenue soar. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips on excelling as an Amazon seller. Until next time, happy selling.